Welcome back to another shift here at the Intensive Car Unit. I apologize for having such a long delay between my last episode and this one, but I'm still waiting on a lot of parts to show up. I've got some designs out there that are being made and worked up, and it's just a long process. Some of these parts take 8 to 10 weeks before they can get manufactured. So I apologize for that. In the meantime, the interim, we're going to go use the last bits of parts that I need off the Maserati. I've been editing these videos in a pretty uncomfortable chair, so we're going to go take the Maserati passenger seat out and then turn that into a much more comfortable office chair. So sit back, enjoy. There's going to be a lot more time lapse on this one and a lot less discussion and explanation on what's actually going on. Again, as soon as I get some more stuff up, I will get those videos posted, get them edited, and hopefully have some more content for you guys to watch. So until then, sit back and enjoy.
I just wanted to show you guys something. I just got done removing the motor from right here that actually adjusts the tilt of the seat itself. As you can see here, this thing's set up almost completely flat because this would bolt in to the lower section of the seat. Now, that motor has a rod. That rod goes through that motor and it connects from one side over here to the other. All right, if I spin that around, I will feed that guy through. And you can see it right there. Now, as I turn those, it should turn these. The way you do that is with a T40 Torx. Again, this is for an '07 Quattroporte. I'm willing to bet most of the other ones are the same, but if you just lightly press it in, and then you can turn it to adjust your tilt however you want. If the motor was in here, I don't know if I would be able to turn it that simple, but just thought I'd show you guys that that's what you would do to turn the seat and change it.
Okay, wow, that was actually a lot better of a turnout for that office chair than I thought would happen. The Maserati seat is extremely heavy, but the way I was able to attach it to the base and still have the tilt of the back of the seat, and I can tilt the chair back as I need to for some more comfort and stuff like that, is just, it's super nice. It's way better than the chair that I was using, and it cost me pretty much nothing. I got the chair for free. I already had the Maserati seat. So major, major win. The looks are great. It's all nice and tucked up. It looks like it belongs. I did end up cleaning up some of those rough edges and stuff off camera. I did wipe the chair down, or sorry, the Maserati seat down, put some leather conditioning and stuff like that on there. And it's just way, way nicer, way, way more comfortable. And it has so much class and elegance. And the leather just is so nice that I couldn't replicate that without spending a huge amount of money for an office chair that I ultimately, you know, can't justify spending thousands of dollars for. So I'm just super happy with the way that the entire project came out. Um, and I know that's not normally what we would talk about on this channel, but again, it's a Maserati office chair. Stuff doesn't exist. So I went ahead and built one and it works fantastic. And my hope in the future is that I'll start getting some of these parts to trickle in, and I can start making things again that will benefit this guy right here. Um, that's enough rambling for now. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, press the bell for notifications, that sort of stuff. And as always, please stay safe.